Hello, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insights into the world of cryptocurrency. Today, we're diving deep into the most powerful tools that every crypto trader should have in their arsenal. We'll explore CoinMarketCap, Crypto Bubbles, CoinMarketCal, Alternative.me, TradingView, CoinDesk, and Cointelegraph. So, let's get started. First up, we have CoinMarketCap. This is your one-stop shop for tracking the price, volume, and market cap of almost every cryptocurrency out there. It's like the Google of cryptocurrencies. You can compare coins, check out the biggest gainers and losers, and even see upcoming events in the crypto world. It's an absolute must-have for any crypto enthusiast. Next, we have Crypto Bubbles. This site takes market data and turns it into an interactive visual experience. Each bubble represents a cryptocurrency, and its size indicates its market cap. It's a fun and intuitive way to understand the market dynamics. You can see at a glance which coins are making big moves and which ones are lagging behind. Moving on, we have CoinMarketCal. This is your crypto calendar, alerting you to all upcoming events in the crypto world. Whether it's a coin's hard fork, exchange listing, or major update, CoinMarketCal has got you covered. It's a great tool to stay ahead of the market and make informed decisions. Next, we have Alternative.me. This site provides a fear and greed index for Bitcoin and other large cryptocurrencies. This index measures market sentiment, helping you understand whether traders are feeling fearful or greedy. It's a great tool to gauge whether the market is likely to be overbought or oversold. Then, we have TradingView. This is a social network for traders and investors on Forex, futures, and cryptocurrency markets. It provides real-time information and market insights from around the world. You can follow other traders, learn from their strategies, and even share your own. But don't worry, we'll be covering TradingView in more detail in a future video, so stay tuned for that. Finally, we have CoinDesk and Cointelegraph. These sites are your daily newspapers for everything crypto. They cover news, analysis, and articles on Bitcoin, blockchain, and all things crypto. They're a great way to stay updated with the latest trends and developments in the crypto world. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these tools helpful. Remember, the more you understand these tools, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the crypto world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto insights. And as always, happy trading. But before we wrap up, I have a challenge for you. Go check out these tools and let me know in the comments which one you found the most useful and why.